Ferrari versus Lamborghini, the ultimate Italian supercar rivalry. Ferrari, racing pedigree, elegance, and refined aggression. Lamborghini, raw power, outrageous design, and a V12 roar that shakes the earth. This isn't just about speed, it's about passion, history, and two wildly different philosophies. Ferrari fans love motorsport heritage and sophistication. Lamborghini loyalists crave drama, theater, and rebellion. There's no right answer. But exploring why these brands are so different is a fascinating journey. Before we start, if you love cars and supercar battles like this one, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive in. The story of Ferrari is one steeped in passion, ambition, and a relentless pursuit of victory. It all begins with a man named Enzo Ferrari, a man utterly and completely obsessed with racing. From a young age, the roar of the engine and the thrill of competition coursed through his veins. Road cars? They weren't the primary focus. For Enzo, they were simply a means to an end, just a way to fund his racing team, Scuderia Ferrari, the heart and soul of his automotive empire. And what about the iconic prancing horse logo? It's more than just a symbol. It's a tribute to Francesco Baracca, a heroic WWE fighter ace whose mother suggested Enzo use the emblem for good luck. Now, shifting gears, Lamborghini's tale is a completely different beast. A pure Italian drama filled with ego, ambition, and a burning desire to prove a point. This story centers around Ferruccio Lamborghini, a tractor tycoon who had built a successful empire manufacturing agricultural equipment. Ferruccio, a man of means, owned a Ferrari but found it lacking in certain areas, particularly its clutch. Seeking to address his concerns, he confronted Enzo Ferrari himself, but Enzo, known for his pride and arrogance, dismissed him and his complaints with a wave of his hand. Ferruccio, fueled by indignation and a desire to prove Enzo wrong, had a very specific response. He decided he would build a better car than Ferrari. Thus, Automobili Lamborghini was born in 1963, conceived out of rivalry, not a passion for racing, but a personal vendetta. To achieve his ambitious goal, he strategically hired ex-Ferrari engineers, including the brilliant Giotto Bizzarini, the very same engineer who had designed Ferrari's iconic 250 GTO, and who would go on to design Lamborghini's groundbreaking first V12 engine. So we have two iconic brands, forever forged by competition, fueled by Italian pride, and a relentless pursuit of automotive excellence. The rivalry between Ferrari and Lamborghini was immediate and intense. A clash of personalities, philosophies, and a deeply personal battle for automotive supremacy. Now let's find out what makes Ferrari and Lamborghini truly iconic. Ferrari focuses on racing performance, F1 tech, and hybrid systems, which hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.0 seconds. Every Ferrari is a precision instrument tuned for the track and the senses. Lamborghini, big, naturally aspirated V12s, on the other hand, offers insane V10 and V12 engines, giving off a signature roar and aggressive power delivery. Ferrari sculpts sound and aerodynamics for elegance and efficiency. Lamborghini designs for shock and awe, then makes the aerodynamics work. Ferrari uses special red paint formulas that can cost up to $28,000 per car. Lamborghini names many of its cars after famous fighting bulls like the Miura and Murcielago. Ferrari's design is all about elegance and aerodynamics, inspired by the curves of classic Italian architecture. Lamborghini's look is bold, edgy, and inspired by fighter jets, and those iconic scissor doors, a theatrical flourish that announces its arrival. Ferrari is synonymous with Rosso Corsa Red, a color deeply embedded in its identity, a nod to Italy's racing heritage, a symbol of speed, passion, and victory. Lamborghini embraces wild colors, a vibrant palette that reflects its audacious spirit. Yellows, greens, oranges, bold hues that demand attention and refuse to be ignored. perfect for their extroverted personality, a visual representation of its inner beast. Lamborghini loves hexagons and carbon fiber drama, elements that amplify its futuristic appeal. Ferrari integrates tech with subtlety, blending innovation seamlessly into its luxurious design. You can't just buy any Ferrari. For limited edition models like the LaFerrari, Ferrari picks who's worthy of owning it, often based on prior ownership and brand loyalty. The first Lamborghini car was built in just 4 months in 1963, a super quick turnaround born out of ego and competition. Owning a Ferrari is more than just possessing a high-performance vehicle. It's an entry into a world of unparalleled luxury and prestige. It's joining an exclusive club, a community of passionate enthusiasts who appreciate the finer things in life and the thrill of driving excellence. It's about embracing a rich heritage, a legacy of racing victories, unparalleled prestige, and being part of a global fan base that spans generations. Ferrari chooses its customers. They carefully curate who gets to experience their brand. It's about legacy as much as money, about understanding and appreciating the history and craftsmanship that goes into each and every car. Lamborghini, on the other hand, is flashier, bolder, and more extroverted. It represents new money, wild success achieved through daring ventures, and a rebellious spirit that challenges conventions. Their fans are rock stars, individuals who live life on their own terms and aren't afraid to stand out. Athletes who embody peak performance and relentless drive. And anyone who wants to make a statement, a bold declaration of their individuality and success. Even their car names reflect their spirit, encapsulating the essence of each brand. Today, both brands make SUVs, expanding their reach and appealing to a wider audience. But despite these modern additions, their core identities remain distinct and unwavering. So which are you? Which brand resonates with your personality and aspirations? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching our Ferrari versus Lamborghini face-off. If you found these facts surprising or learned something new, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support truly means the world to us.